Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair plummeted 1.4% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The euro-dollar pair fell 0.6% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair dove 1.0% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
World stock markets got 2022 off to a confident start after their third consecutive year of double-digit gains, while benchmark government bond yields made early moves higher. Jeremy Hogan, a proponent and lawyer in the Ripple community, says the SEC versus Ripple case is drawing to a close as there is a low probability of the case getting extended. Daimler AG brought in experts from its record-breaking Formula One team to produce an electric prototype that may help take the fight to fend off Tesla Inc. to the next level.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. ISM Manufacturing PMI will be released at 1500 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 030 GMT. The UK's Market Manufacturing PMI at 0930 GMT. Japan's monetary base will be released at 2350 GMT. Germany's retail sales at 0700 GMT. Germany's unemployment rate at 0855 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.